Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to Raw Data Notebook. This is our first video in our Bash scripting series for data scientists and quant developers. And you don't need to worry if you have never used the terminal before. This course is exactly designed just for you. So let's begin. Let's start by understanding what a shell script is. A shell script is simply a list of commands, and these commands run in the order they are written in. And we put them inside a text file and then ask the computer to run the script for us. So think of it like a simple program, but instead of using Python or R, we are using Bash shell, which comes built into Linux, macOS, and also works on Windows with WSL. A good shell script includes comments. Comments are lines that start with a hash symbol, and they are not run by the computer. They are there to explain what the script is doing, and this helps both you and others to understand the script later. So a shell script can do many things. They can check if one value is bigger than another, they can repeat the task using loop, and they can be broken into functions. They can read and store data, but don't worry, we will go step by step. So let's write a basic script and see how it works. So first of all, we are going to open our terminal and then we'll type nano test.sh. This opens a file where we can write our script. And before anything else, we must tell the system that this is a shell script. We do that with a special line at the very top called the shebang line. Now type this #bang/bin/bash. That line looks like this. And this line tells the computer to use bash to run the commands. Now type these two simple commands pwd ls, and your file should now look like this. Save the files by pressing Ctrl O and then enter. And then Ctrl X to exit. And next, make your script executable by typing this, and now run your script like this /test.sh. Whatever the name we have given earlier, we have to write it like this. So you should see the current working directory and a list of files. Let's now talk about variables. So variables are like small containers that stores values in Bash. We do not use equal signs with spaces. We write something like this: name equals to raw data notebook, and then we use echo hello $, and then use name. Whatever the variable name that we have declared earlier, we have to specify it here. And after that, you may see this will print hello raw data notebook. You can also ask the user to input a value, and here is how. Echo and what is your name? The statement that you want to ask from the user. Okay? Then read person. Echo hello $, whatever the person has written into it. Let's put it all together. Open nano test.sh again and type this. And the whole code that we have written, or the script that we have written earlier, you have to write it here. Then save the file, make it executable, and run it. You will be asked for your name and then it will greet you. And this is how we start building interactive script. Even though this may seem simple, and these are the same building blocks we use in automation, which is data pipelines, model training scripts, and much more. In the next video, we will explore how to capture output from commands and use it inside the scripts. Very useful for handling data files and automating your projects. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Raw Data Notebook. See you in the next one. Till then, Hare Krishna everyone.
Pulling up black windows when she go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear a ton of shit from the drama.